Welcome to EasyLingo Talks, where you will learn English in a very easy way.
Paul. He is the first voice you will hear in today's practice. Paul speaks in calm, natural American English, the kind you hear in everyday conversations, at work, at the store, and among friends. Listen to each sentence he says, then repeat it out loud. Don't just read along silently. Say the words. Feel how they sit in your mouth. That's how shadowing works, not by understanding alone, but by doing. I woke up early this morning. Say it again. I woke up early this morning. I'm feeling a little tired today. One more time. I'm feeling a little tired today. I made coffee before leaving the house. Repeat, I made coffee before leaving the house. Again, I made coffee before leaving the house. I need to finish this before lunch. Repeat after Paul, I need to finish this before lunch. Say it again, I need to finish this before lunch. Can you send me that file? Repeat, can you send me that file? One more time. Can you send me that file? I'll be ready in 5 minutes. Repeat after Paul, I'll be ready in 5 minutes. Again, I'll be ready in 5 minutes. I just got back from lunch. Repeat, I just got back from lunch. Say it again, I just got back from lunch. Do you want to grab coffee later? Repeat after Paul, do you want to grab coffee later? Again, do you want to grab coffee later? I have a meeting in an hour. Repeat, I have a meeting in an hour. One more time, I have a meeting in an hour. That sounds like a good idea. Repeat after Paul, that sounds like a good idea. Again, that sounds like a good idea. I think I need a short break. Repeat, I think I need a short break. Say it again, I think I need a short break. Let me check my schedule first. Repeat after Paul, let me check my schedule first. Again, let me check my schedule first. I'm heading home now. Repeat, I'm heading home now. One more time, I'm heading home now. What do you want for dinner? Repeat after Paul, what do you want for dinner? Again, what do you want for dinner? I'm going to cook something simple tonight. Repeat, I'm going to cook something simple tonight. Say it again, I'm going to cook something simple tonight. I watched a show after dinner. Repeat after Paul, I watched a show after dinner. Again, I watched a show after dinner. I'm pretty tired, I think I'll go to bed early. Repeat, I'm pretty tired, I think I'll go to bed early. One more time. I'm pretty tired, I think I'll go to bed early. It was a good day overall. Repeat after Paul, it was a good day overall. Again, it was a good day overall.
Now we move to Anna. Her 25 sentences begin in the morning and follow her through a full, natural day. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after Anna. I set my alarm for 6:30 last night. Repeat after Anna. I set my alarm for 6:30 last night. Again, I set my alarm for 6:30 last night. I usually do a short workout in the morning. Repeat, I usually do a short workout in the morning. Say it again. I usually do a short workout in the morning. I like to get ready before everyone else wakes up. Repeat after Anna. I like to get ready before everyone else wakes up. I had oatmeal and fruit for breakfast this morning. Repeat. I had oatmeal and fruit for breakfast this morning. I'm running a little late today. Repeat after Anna. I'm running a little late today. Can you hold the elevator? Repeat. Can you hold the elevator? I just finished a really long meeting. Repeat after Anna. I just finished a really long meeting. I need to follow up with someone after lunch. Repeat. I need to follow up with someone after lunch. I'm not sure yet. Let me think about it. Repeat after Anna. I'm not sure yet. Let me think about it. Do you mind if I sit here? Repeat. Do you mind if I sit here? I ordered lunch online today. Repeat after Anna. I ordered lunch online today. I feel much better after eating. Repeat. I feel much better after eating. I stopped by the grocery store on the way home. Repeat after Anna. I stopped by the grocery store on the way home. I'm going to make a simple salad for dinner. Repeat. I'm going to make a simple salad for dinner. I called my mom after dinner. Repeat after Anna. I called my mom after dinner. I've been meaning to read that book for a while. Repeat. I've been meaning to read that book for a while. I'm going to take a warm shower and go to bed. Repeat after Anna. I'm going to take a warm shower and go to bed. Today was exactly what I needed. One final time. Today was exactly what I needed.